Hey Tony, Steve here, High Flying Loft. Here are your boxes, and I'm going to show you the birds that will be coming to you first thing on Monday. There they are. Alright buddy, just figure I'd make this quick video, show you the young ones that are coming to you like you suggested. They're eating on their own, but they're still squawking, so train them to your loft, baby. Everybody else who also orders birds, they'll be coming out on Monday. They'll be shipping. So I'll hit you up and let you know that they're on their way. Alright, we're gonna make this a short one. And as always guys, Steve here, High Flying Loft. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this video. Ciao for now.